Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. It is your girl Precious at GK, and today I'll be teaching you how to make an effective hair growth cream. This hair growth cream is so super effective, guys. We're going to make use of two major ingredients. We're going to make use of Chebe powder and kankara oil. If you've not seen Chebe powder before, guys, this is Chebe powder. This black powder you're seeing is called Chebe powder, and you must have heard about, googled and wonderful things about Chebe powder. Chebe powder will give you that strong, full, long hair that you've always desired. That is what Chebe powder will give you. Chebe powder is, in fact, there's nothing like Chebe powder. If you've not been trying it before, give it a try. So what I do is I just measure about 2 tablespoons of my Chebe powder in a plate, and I mix it with my kankara oil. I really did not take measurement, guys. I just mix it. I just use eye gauge to mix it. So you can see, I'll just mix it together. Guys, there are two ways of doing this. You can either do a double boiling method, but you know me, I try to avoid anything heat. So instead of using a double boiling method, I'll just mix it, cover it, and leave it in one corner for 3 days. So I will leave this oil and this shea powder that is mixed together in a corner in my kitchen for 3 days, and after 3 days I'll bring it out. So here it is. I've left it for 3 days, and this is at the end of 3 days. So let us see how our chilbe and kankara oil look like. You can see, guys, you can see how dark is the oil. All the ingredients, everything has infused in the oil. So at this point I'm just going to filter the oil from the chebe powder. Guys, you can use anything to filter, okay? You can use cheesecloth, hanky, anything, but for me I'll be using white hanky. Guys, what I do is I double fold this hanky. Why I double fold it? Because Chebe powder is very tiny in particle. It can pass through one layer of the hanky. So because I don't want to see any single particle on my hair cream, so I decide to double fold it. Guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do me well to subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you. And if you're a return subscriber, thank you for always coming to watch my video, like and comment, for all the support you've been giving me so far. I'm super grateful. Guys, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Your like means a lot. It will make YouTube to make this video go viral, to make it reach more people. Thank you. So you can see my oil. You can see how dark. This is my Chebe infused oil. Guys, you see this oil, you see you have different oil, but I'll suggest you use kankara oil, because when it comes to Chebe, kankara oil is the best. So just use kankara oil. So at this point, I will just keep my Chebe infused oil one side while I melt my butters. So here is my shea butter, and here is my mango butter. Guys, if you don't have mango butter, use any butter that you have, okay? If it's only shea butter you have, okay. If it's only mango butter you have, okay. If it's any butter you have, so just make use of it. The major ingredient for this hair cream is your chilbe powder and your kankara oil, so don't worry. So what I do is I just melt my butter by pouring water in the bowl, hot water in the bowl, then I melt it. Here's my hot water, guys. This is boiled water. So I just put the plate on top of on the hot water and I'll just continue melting it. Guys, this process take a little while, but just don't worry, you need all the whole patience. You can see it, guys. You can see. You can see how it looks like now, guys. So like I said, guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do me well to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share the video, don't forget to comment on this video, because it will make YouTube to make this video go viral to reach more people. Thank you. So here it is, our oil is completely dissolved. You can see it's completely dissolved now. So at this point, I will just remove it from the bowl of water and I will mix it together with my Chebe infused oil. So you can see just as I'm doing on the video. So I just mixed my butter with my Chebe infused oil. Guys, this part is optional. Okay, it's optional. If you don't have this ingredient, don't worry, don't go break it the bank. This is my tea tree essential oil, so I just add 2 drops of my tea tree essential oil in it, and I also add my lavender essential oil in it, just a little of it, like 2 ml. Here's my lavender, and I also add my menthol oil in it too, just a little drop also of my menthol oil. Guys, like I said, if you don't have menthol oil, tea tree essential oil, lavender essential oil, please don't worry, this hair cream will still work very very well as long as you have chebe powder and kankara oil. Okay, so at this point I'll just keep it in my freezer and I'll allow it to slightly solidified. Here I have brought it out from my freezer. You can see it is not very very solidified, just slightly solidified. So I'll just bring my hand mixer and whisk it. So if you don't have hand mixer, you can stop at this stage and use your butter, use your hair cream like this. But if you have if you have a hand mixer, please just do it this way to bring out that fluffy nature, that soft nature of it. Okay, so this is it. I'm just whisking it. I just whisk it to my desired. Make sure you whisk it. As you're whisking it, you'll be seeing that the color is really. And another thing, guys, the scent of chebe powder is wow, is amazing. Okay, so you don't have problem with smell. It smells so nice. So chebe powder smells so nice. Like if you put it on your hair, everyone will notice. And together with its many benefits to the head and to the scalp. Guys, once again, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please tell me where to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, because your like will do so much to this video. It will make YouTube to make this video go viral, to make this video reach more people, and for me to have more subscribers. Guys, please. So I'll just whisk it. At this point I have finished whisking it, so I'll just pour it in my container, and that's it. For this hair cream, you don't need any preservative, guys. You don't need any preservative. All you just need to do is pour it in your container, cover it and keep it in any place of your house that is not like your cupboard, anywhere. Okay, you don't need preservative. You don't have to keep it in the freeze, and it can even last you for like a year. Okay, it can last you for 12 months, so you don't have problem because there's no water in this hair cream, guys. So this is it. This is our hair cream, guys. This is our hair cream. If you use it as a moisturizer, as a hair moisturizer, and your hair will grow so well. Your hair will grow so well, guys. You can see how it is. So guys, once again, thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like this video. Thank you very much. Please don't also forget to share. Thank you.